A new clinic is helping to arm adults with a little empowerment this weekend. The first annual n.a.s.a. Rifle Clinic gives people with physical disabilities an opportunity to learn how to shoot rifles. The class pairs each person with a friend and a .22 rifle. But organizers say it goes beyond just teaching the rules of marksmanship.
One of the things that I try and focus on when I work with people, well, people in general, but especially with people with disabilities, is empowerment. And so this is a great opportunity for them to feel it.
About half a dozen people took part in the clinic today.
Yeah, I don't really.
Fires at this time.
I have a new
Good on that
battery in it.
Down there, good.
Sweet.
All right.
Son.
Fires at this time. Take up a good sight picture. And fire when ready.
It was high. He's high.
Hi.
There it is. Now it's on the. Oops. How's that?
Go to the left.
Good.
Good breathing.
Yeah, you see it? You barely see it now.
Oh, there it is.
You got it? Keep it right there.
Okay.
Tighter in your shoulder.
Ah, boy.
Yeah, it's getting
You have
tougher
to go
to see.
to the right.